Hi friends, if you are in plan of making a website for senior citizen and senior care, this video is exactly for you. I have a specific WordPress theme in this video called Zompo. Zompo is a senior care WordPress theme that's suitable for hospital, medical, healthcare or senior care website. Zompo uses drag and drop page builder for build the page elements, make you easier to arrange your layout. So this is the a specific WordPress theme which has been made for a senior care uh, organization, or you can say the uh, institutions or something like that. So if you are in plan for making the website for senior care services, this video is exactly for you. And in this video we are going to install the Zompo WordPress theme along with the demo content, and we will also preview the theme options along with the customization options. The Zompo WordPress theme has been developed by the theme Awesome, and they are elite author of course, and it was developed in 2018, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So we can conclude that this theme is best choice for the category in the senior category, in seniors care category. And if we talk about the demo websites, these are two demos available in the theme pack. So this is the one of the demo. It is the Zompo main demo, and it has the appointment feature as well. So consultancy can be done through appointment, and this feature is available in the Zompo website. And this is, since it has been made specifically for senior care, so it has all the feature related to that, and you will feel all the information is available, already available, or areas are available which you need for such website. So you can simply choose this theme for your upcoming website project for senior care. And let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have licensing, the Zompo main theme file and the child theme file, and the documentation is here. For installing the Zompo theme, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the zompo.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I'll be able to show you the theme file size through this. And the theme file size is just 6.08 MB. This is why the website is going to be run very fast with this theme, and it is an extra advantage that the website is going to be fast. And let it be uploaded fully, and I am going to add the link of my website in the description of this video, where you can got the Zompo WordPress theme. Simply click on the magenta color button marked as get Zompo WordPress theme, and you can even choose to buy this theme. The button is also available like buy Zompo WordPress theme on the same page, for which I am giving the link in the description of this video. And you can even choose the hosting plan as you want for your website project as per your requirements. So everything is available there. So you can even choose to have a pre-installed Zompo WordPress theme with the hosting plan and the selected domain name. So choice is yours, and you can simply have the theme only and that is also easily available. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Zompo folder in which we got all the theme components. So remember, both the activities or of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload through this WordPress interface or you can directly upload on the server. So you have to choose only one, don't get confused. And now we can delete the zip one, it is not required now, it is just consuming the server space. And now we can go back to the theme section of WordPress, and now we have Zompo as another theme option. This is Zompo version 1.4 and Senior Care WordPress theme, and we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins, and this theme uses Elementor and Redux framework. Both combination works very fine, and it is really a technology advantage that this theme uses Elementor and Redux framework as a combination. So it is going to be give you technology advantage for your website. And now we shall install the plugins first. There are few plugins marked as required and only one is recommended, and I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one. And now plugins are being installed, all plugins has been installed now, and now I am activating the installed plugins. All plugins and theme itself has been installed, so we can simply click on dashboard tab to see whether it needs further configuration. And now since we have installed the themes and plugin, we can take a look of our website how it looks with the theme and of course with the plugins. And this is the basic look of Zompo WordPress theme website, and of course it is without any demo content. And for making a website like this or second demo, we need to import the demo content so that we may start editing and putting our own original content. So this theme uses one-click demo importer. So under appearance tab, you can go to the import demo data, and the import demo data option is here, and you have both the options available for import demo 1 and demo 2. You can choose any as per your choice and requirement. I am choosing the first one and click the import demo. And now it is recommending to install certain plugins. If we need to install plugins, we can definitely go for WP Forms, All-in-One SEO and Monster Insights. However, I am skipping this. It can be installed on later stage if it is required actually. And now import is being done, and it may take up to 5 or 6 minutes, I believe, because it also imports the images from the server of developer. So we have to be here without refreshing or leaving this page, and you will reach on this screen. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully, and you can now begin editing your site. And now we can take a look, another look of our website, how it looks. And some wonderful thing is coming up now. Yes, it is really here, and we got a wonderful website in this activity, and the complete website is here with all the pages. So what you do, what you need to do next, just put your original content, and you will be ready to use this website. And it is fine that everything has been given in the demo content itself, and everything works very fine. So it is fine, wonderful, and we got a very good website. Now I'll show you the theme options. And this is the final outcome website ours. And this is the website. Somehow my internet is working slow today, but it does not matter, and it does not mean the website is slow. It is working very fast, in fact. And appointment feature is also here. So all good with this website. And so you can simply use all these features for your website as well. Now I'll show you the theme options and the customization options. Go to the dashboard and let us see what is additional here. Everything is as common in the WordPress, and appearance, theme editor is here, and header builder, content options, footer builder, other options are here, preloader are here. Rest of things are common, so I will show you the header builder and content options. These are the basic settings available in the Zompo WordPress theme, and this is the general header. Of course, we can change the icons and rest of things from here, and appointment button and header top appointment link can be changed from here. Header top, general header, mobile header, header typography, content option is here, content typography, blog option, archive option, single post option, single service option, 404 option, footer builder is here, general footer, footer widget, other options are here, social profile, and rest of things are here. So it is fine, and it is wonderful that all controls has been given. And now I'll show you the content edit option. So this theme uses Elementor, and editing with Elementor is always been easy. Simply click on edit with Elementor after opening the page for which you want to edit the content, and the Elementor editor will be loaded on the screen, and you can simply select the area which you want to edit, and all will be fine. All will be in your control. And Elementor, however, works bit slow, but it is fine, and it is more than simple. Just click on the pencil icon, whatever you want to edit, and the section will be active in the left side, and you can simply put your content here. Just remember that you have to put the content in the same length as given in the demo, so that integrity of website may be maintained. And I'll rather advise you to use a duplicator plugin for making a backup of at least home page before you start editing. Just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the backup page, so it will be more safer for you, just in case you are not so experienced in the Elementor. for that I am saying, and rest things are fine. So I believe I have shown you all the features of Zompo WordPress theme, and this theme is also available on the wpthemes.co.in website, and I am giving the link of website where you can get this theme. And if you are first time visitor of this channel, you may please subscribe this channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.